Meet the DEMI, automated and intelligent support removal for PolyJet, FDM, and SLA 3D print technologies. The world's only comprehensive software, hardware, and chemistry solution, enabling transformative results for additive post-printing. Using software designed with programs built with data from lab testing and benchmarking, the DEMI offers one-touch, press-and-play support removal. Advanced remote access includes live software support, updates, and troubleshooting. The DEMI's precise temperature control with 1-degree increments eliminates thermal runaway for fast finishing without part warpage. Diagnostics and process monitoring react to key process parameters, reducing hands-on finishing time. The DEMI's proprietary SVC technology intelligently combines ultrasonics, heat, and fluid flow for unparalleled results. Designed with innovative vortex flow technology to ensure even distribution of mechanical energy, the system optimizes ultrasonic output by managing variable ultrasonic power throughout the cycle. Precision-controlled mechanical and chemical agitation accelerate rate of removal with gentle action for fragile materials and fine feature details. Designed for use with patent-pending detergents that are optimized for additive materials, the DEMI's 3-stage filtration extends detergent life for increased throughput. No manual mixing of detergent means less maintenance and more machine uptime. Accelerate your additive operations with the DEMI, the world's only intelligent solution for automated 3D post-printing support removal. Spend more time printing and less time post-printing with PostProcess.